He doesn't appreciate you. There are things you gotta do. First, you gotta empathize, and you gotta recognize that you are the prize, and you gotta penalize. So I have gone down a weird rabbit hole creating this video. Basically, I'm trying to compete with Candy Crush and Instagram to get all of your sexy single ladies' attention on this topic. Because some of you are feeling just a little underappreciated when it comes to attracting men. And because I don't want that to happen, I created a very cringeworthy, painful rap just to get your attention and to teach a very important lesson. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about what to do if a guy doesn't appreciate you. I want you to be listening to this rap. I'm going to teach you the core lessons and the 3 things that you need to do moving forward. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam Litolce from lovestrategies.com, where I help successful single women get out there and attract long-lasting love and do it with a proven strategy. And if you enjoyed this video and you kind of like my rap, or at least find it weird or something, give this video a like, give it a subscribe, and please don't forget to join us on Instagram because we have a lot of content that's going to be coming out this upcoming month. And also, if you haven't gone over to lovestrategies.com, we have a very special training there that's going to teach you how to emotionally attract men so that men are pursuing you for long-lasting love. Go ahead and check that out at the end of this video. Now let's break down this rap into a few core concepts. So step 1 is to empathize. First, you gotta empathize. Look, anytime you're in a relationship and something is a little bit off, the first thing I always like to do is just a gut check. Basically ask yourself, is there something that I'm missing here? Am I misinterpreting the situation? And try to empathize with your partner and what it is that they might be going through. In this case, if you're feeling underappreciated, try to put yourself in his shoes. Does he have something big going on at work? Does he have a big project that he's been talking about for a while and he's putting all of his focus into that? Or maybe he has kids and he needs to really focus his energy on those kids and some of the challenges they're going through. Really try to put yourself in his shoes before turning this into a bigger issue. If he reasonably has other priorities going on in his life for a short period of time, then quite frankly, it's normal for you to feel underappreciated. And it's because his attention is put elsewhere. If that's the case, I would suggest that you put your energy elsewhere and then just revisit this in another few weeks or maybe month. And chances are he's going to start putting his energy back into you and the relationship. Now you move to step 2 if his priorities are elsewhere, and they really shouldn't be. They should be on you. Now step 2 is for you to realize, and this is a mindset, that you are the prize. You gotta recognize that you are the prize. If you're putting a lot into a relationship and you're really investing your all, but it's not being reciprocated, you need to value yourself and what value you bring to that relationship. And sometimes when we lack confidence when it comes to love, sometimes we don't actually believe that we deserve a lot in a relationship. So I'm here to tell you that a healthy relationship means that a man is treating you like the prize. And step 3 is to penalize. You got to penalize. Now, penalize is kind of a strong word, but it's the only word that rhymes with the other word, so that's what we're left with. But big picture, there has to be consequences if he is not investing fully in the relationship. At this point, if he's not appreciating you, I urge you to really lean back quite a bit. And depending on where you are in the relationship and what stage, you actually might need to break things off and set a hard standard for yourself that says, look, if a man is not investing in me in the relationship, then it is not a fit. And I'm gonna say that magical 4-letter word, which is next, and move on to the next. Create a little bit of space, make sure you lean back a little bit, and make sure, of course, before you ever end things, to just ask him what's going on. Just open dialogue, and maybe you'll get on the same page, maybe you won't. But you need to really start setting a standard for yourself that says that I'm not going to deal with men who are just giving me crumbs. I need to be in a relationship that fulfills me on a deep level because I'm willing to invest in that relationship myself. So I want to hear from you in the comments below. Have you ever felt underappreciated in a relationship? And finally, if you are ready to take this thing to the next level and learn how to emotionally attract high quality men, head on over to lovestrategies.com, where we have a special training that's going to walk you through these 3 steps to triggering emotional attraction to any man. See you there in just a moment. Bye-bye. He doesn't appreciate you. There are things you gotta do. First, you gotta empathize, and you gotta recognize that you are the prize, and you gotta penalize.